Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And this will be an updated tutorial on how to deal with the situation when you connect your phone, which is here, a Samsung Galaxy, or it could be Android, to your PC. You can't find the video files. So as you can see, I have a S26 Ultra, so it's one of the latest versions. If you have a S25, S24, it will be the same. All right, so this has the latest updates. Here I have a USB Type-C cable, and it's connected right over here. I'll try to show you. It's kind of off camera. It's connected to the Windows PC. All right, so this is the latest version of Windows. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to connect up this cable. All right, so the cable is now connected. Notice it shows my S26 Ultra. Now, sometimes what can happen is that it doesn't show. Sometimes doesn't show the video files. So I'm going to show you to fix that. All right. So first of all, until you unlock your phone, it will remain blank. So I'll unlock with my fingerprint. If it doesn't refresh, go ahead, guys. And what you want to do is to go back to this PC. And of course, you want to go to, here's my phone. It's still showing it as being, sorry about that. It's still showing it as being blank. So what you want to do here is you're going to go ahead and, so what you want to do here is go to your phone and you want to slide it down. And of course, it's showing nothing now. So you want to look right here. And what's happening is that it's showing it's charging. So you're going to tap on the USB option there. Let me make sure you can see it. Tap right there. And you're going to see USB settings. And it says this device. And it says charge phone only. All right, so it's when it's on charge phone only, it means that it's charging the phone. Now, what might happen is that you have yours connected on, for example, transfer image. I'm going to unlock. It's set to transfer image. So sometimes that's what's happening to yours. So you notice it reselects. I'll go here. I'll turn on. Notice now, if I go back to this PC, it will show it as a camera. Now, you might be open like this. So if you hold me here, go to internal storage. Hope you're seeing. Go to DCIM. And of course, I think you go to camera. You'll see all of these files. I'll have them as a list. So as you see here, it shows only photos in some cases. So if you set the option to the option here, you'll notice this is a video file. So this mode does show video files. And these are the video files again. So you can actually see the video files here. So it's showing the video files. So to be clear, in case it's not showing your video files, go to transfer images and there are different options. So for example, sorry about that. When you're on transfer images, it does show the video files. I'm going to tell you which modes actually to use. So that mode does work. For transferring images, you can use the first option, transfer file, and Android Auto. I'm going to choose that option. So just in case you're having that option, again, this mode shows, which is this option here, shows more files, but you can still find. Notice it says internal storage, DCIM folder. Go to camera, and let me change the mode again. And again, you should be able to see. So we're seeing pictures. There again, you can see the video files. And the video files are the MP4 files. Sorry about that, it's still loading. So it does shift things up a bit. See MP4 files. So you can actually remove those files. And let's go back to the phone. And let's try USB tethering. All right, so that's the last one I'm going to try. So USB tethering. And I'm going to go again. I'm going to launch. Then I'm going to go to my PC, excuse me a bit, this PC, and notice nothing shows up. All right. So just to be clear, guys, just in case you're confused as which mode to use either transfer image or use the first option here that says transfer files, Android Auto. and go to the DCIM folder. So these are the two modes to access your photos, which is the first one, transfer files, and the second would be transfer images. All right, so if you choose those two, what's going to happen is that you're able to find your video file. So in case the phone is only charging or doing something else, that's what you do, and you'll be able to get your files off. All right, so I'm going to change this back to charge only. All right, and as you can see, it goes blank again. So just in case you're having that issue, that's how you do it on your PC. Oh, that was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.